Form. Everything in the world has a form. The shape of orange, banana, watermelon, crow, eagle, sparrow, lion, elephant, dog is different. The shapes have been decided by the Creator. Why an apple has a particular shape which differs from pomegranate? The answer to this is a mystery. Usually, when we get attracted to a girl, is by her shape or form. All girls are the same, and difference in appearances occur due to different form each individual has. We say this girl is beautiful and that girl is ugly. How we recognize beauty or ugliness? A girl who has sharp features, slim figure, long straight hairs, white complexion, green or blue eyes, rosy lips and cheeks, well dressed, neat and clean is said to be beautiful. These parameters enter the brain cells through environment without our knowledge. When an outer satisfies these parameters, we get attracted from inside. Thus, form or shape is the source of attraction. Inside a beautiful or ugly looking girl, there will be flesh, blood, and bones, and this flesh, blood, and bones are not the source of beauty. Had there been no shape or form, there would have been no attraction between the boy and girl. Mind can look at shape or form, but eternity or truth is formless. Thus, mind is unable to see the truth, and if it does sees the truth, then that is not truth, because truth is beyond the capacity of mind. However, please do remember, when mind is in a churnal mode, then the mind can see the truth and false, formless and form both. For example, if there is nothing and you keep something in that nothing, mind will see something but not nothing, because that something has form and nothing is formless. It is like that on plain canvas, if you draw something, then to mind that drawn something only will be visible. When I say my suitcase is without anything in it, it means that inside my suitcase there is nothing, and what lies outside my suitcase is also nothing. Hence, form from inside and outside it enveloped by nothing. Thus, nothing is more important than form, but for mind, form is important than nothing. It suggests that mind is also enveloped by nothing. Formless covers the form from inside and outside. When we go to mall for shopping, we see articles of different forms in the shops. These forms are living and dead. The living forms, humans, buy articles of dead form and then keep these dead forms in their homes, all because those dead forms look usable and beautiful to them. Form is after form. In jungle, lions hunt deer and eat them. The death of deer is food of lion. One form consumes another form. Form is after form. This world is a play of form. People marry and then take divorce. The reason is the form. He or she had a beautiful form, body, but is not so now, thus look for another form. The attraction of form is endless and will end only if we understand form. Form cannot understand form. You have to become formless to understand form. If I have taken some form and I look at different form, then form is looking at form. But if I am formless, then look at form, then I can understand form. Then I will realize that though science and technology has developed enormously, but still there are many things which cannot be understood at the platform of form, and even if one understands it, the same cannot be explained to others. Mind gets attracted towards the form. Attraction in mind is fed by the environment. Attraction gives pleasure, thus there is a pull for the particular form by the mind. Had there been no form, the pull and push by the mind would be absent. Universe is composed of form and formless. Human mind can only recognize the form. It cannot recognize the formless. Eternity is formless, but it does flow through the form. Mind cannot be the tool to understand the formless. Now, how to understand the formless? it is sense mind. If for some time the I drops, then there is a possibility that the formless may flow through the mind. For then the mind operates through the eternal mode. So long the mind pull for some form and push for some form, the mind is operating in I mode. Form and formless is a subject that it cannot be understood by words, for words can describe a form but not formless. Truth is formless, whereas false has a form. Truth cannot take a form. It cannot be molded or stored in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. Behind all forms is formless. World of formless is infinite, whereas world of form is limited. Since we live in limited, we do not have the idea of unlimited. You can destroy a form, but you cannot destroy the formless. All forms are born in formless and die in formless. Formless is the background of form. Now question is how you will explain the formless. You have not seen it, you have no perception of it. As you enter the world of form, that is take birth till end, you as form live in a world of form and then vanish back to the world of formless, that is die. The journey is from form to form, but behind form the control or energy is of the formless.